Hi, I'm Lakshitha. Thank you for visiting my profile. I'm an artificial intelligence and machine learning engineer, and I love to build an AI-powered solution to the business. Whether it's chatbots or machine learning models, language modeling, and also the Python automations, I help clients' business improve into the AI-based solution to solving their real-world problems. Over the past few years, I have worked on the artificial intelligence integrated into the healthcare. Based on that, I published the research papers and patents, worked in the technologies like natural language processing, computer vision, and also data analytics and predictive analytics. I can understand the client goals and their objectives, and I make sure to deliver the reliable solutions based on their ideas that will turn into the AI powered solution by solving the real time problems with them 95% or more accuracy levels. I believe that communication is just important as an technical skills. I'm sure that I'll be understand my client's perspective and I will deliver the quality results to meet their expectation. If you are seeing someone who is passionate about AI and deliver the quality results, I will be happy to discussing your project and I'll love to see how I can help. Thank you for watching.